Hey everybody, Aerial Triangle here with another demo of InkSplit. We're going to open up our image. Today we're doing a reindeer sleighing, making spirits bright. First things first, we're going to lower our base softness just a little bit because we want some halftones in our base. We're actually doing a red shirt, so we're going to remove the red from our image. Here we're going to raise the tolerance to make sure we get most of the red, if not all the red. It's okay to have some variance because you still want your shades. You don't want it to be all flat. So what we got here is good. I'll click it again just for one good measure. Make sure not a lot goes away. Yep, that looks good. Go back to our red shirt. And when you slide the auto extract button there, that's where it starts extracting your colors. But of course you want to fine tune your colors. You want to pick them here by hand. That gives you a much refined, better image upon separation. Make sure you have rich hues here. And I'm speeding it up here because I didn't realize I had two whites, essentially two highlights, because I had the base white on. It automatically gives you a base, so I have three whites here. So I noticed, and I'm like, okay, what other color can I use? Because I have up to 8 colors. The customer is paying for 8 colors in this case. So I go for this go right here. I still don't like it with the 3 different browns, even though I felt like I needed 3 different browns when I was doing it initially. I felt like my green was lacking in the trees back there, so I decided, you know what, let me get a darker green here. So I'll get that darker green, and things look much more rich, more full. Everything seems accounted for. My brown looks good, doing work, so I'm gonna download. So we export the DCS, which is of course an EPS file that can be opened up in Photoshop. And preferred, it can go straight to RIP at that point. Just gotta make sure you delete your shirt file. So here we want to fine tune our base just a little. It had a little bit of extra there where we had deleted the red. And we're gonna move the halftone. I like to put it at 2. I tend to do that for almost every separation. Just it gives you a nice clean underbase. And then you usually have to flash hit your white base when you do that. Just keep that in mind. So there I was showing you that you can have various colors as your background, just whatever. Of course we're sticking with red. I think the customer had wanted a maroon shirt. I was kind of looking at that. And then here's our colors. Here's how the dark color will look at the end, if you would like that. I kind of like it second, just because it's not really doing so much work as far as darkening colors. We have our dark green doing its own thing. And yeah, we're good. So we're going to save this as a EPS file and then send it to the RIP. And we're good to go. We're going to send it to print. Oh, make sure you delete your shirt color. And then save it again. Okay, there we go. And see you at the press. So here's the result. We burned it at a 65 LPI and mostly used 156 for the base. All the colors range from 190 to 230, and then highlight 305.